Anyone who has been to prison knows that you should never pick up soap that has fallen on the floor. But this man bent down to pick up the soap. The towel fell off, revealing his iron underwear. The bully was stunned by this scene. Frank's actions also earned the admiration of his fellow inmates. One inmate even shared his escape plan with Frank. Just then, a guard suddenly appeared and took the plan. The guard was about to open the paper to look at it. Frank immediately spoke up to distract the guard. He loudly complained that the prison food was terrible and unclean. Then he made a speech about how prisoners are also human beings, successfully stirring up anger among all the inmates. Frank took advantage of the guard's inattention to snatch the escape plan. At that moment, the prison cafeteria was in chaos. Frank quickly flipped through the escape plan and stuffed the paper into his mouth to destroy it. However, a guard was knocked over, and the documents he was holding fell onto Frank. The documents mixed with the escape plan. Frank had no choice but to shred all the papers, smear them with tomato sauce, and make a burger to stuff into his mouth. The man was extremely grateful to Frank for saving his life, and he hoped Frank could help him escape from prison. So Frank took him and began digging a tunnel in their cell. They carried the dirt they dug out to the outside. They even made dummies to cover their tracks. They continued digging for a month. The pile of dirt on the playground grew higher and higher, and they replaced their beds with dirt beds. They even mixed the soil into their food, forcing each prisoner to eat it. After relentless effort, they finally broke through the tunnel. They crawled out through a sewer. In reality, Frank was an undercover police officer. His mission was to get close to this man to gather criminal evidence. To thank Frank, the man introduced his sister to him, a girl with legs 2 meters long. Moreover, the man had developed a new type of bomb. He planned to attack the Oscars ceremony. He hid the bomb inside a letter. Frank rushed onto the stage to stop the host from opening the letter but accidentally bumped into her. At that moment, the man discovered Frank was an undercover officer and took a hostage, demanding Frank hand over the bomb-containing envelope. Everyone was hoping Frank could defuse the crisis, but Frank actually handed over the envelope.